Hey Beans, it's Ju, and today I'm going to be decluttering my whole room, but mainly this bookshelf because I want to get rid of it and then I want to move this to that side. And let's just go. So I took these out of the bottom, and now I can just use that as an organization unit in my other closet, which is really helpful. So, and I'm just gonna take this, and this will be trash. Organizing the really small things, like the things that are in these containers, and just all the small things, and just putting some of the stuff that I have away that I know I'm gonna keep, like those books up there and my art stuff, which is on the windowsill, and like this puzzle and stuff. So that's what most of what I have to do is like. But so far I'm making a lot of progress. There's like garbage all over the floor, and I won't play with him because I'm busy. Now since I started my decluttering project, and everything that was left in that last clip I managed to go through and declutter, but it took time because I had other things to do. But now my room is literally exactly how I want it, and I am really happy with it. So let me just show you guys. It has turned out. There are a few things that I still need to work on, like getting all the extension cords where they need to be and just making it so that everything is perfect. But as of right now, I'm really happy with how everything looks. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment below if you are trying to declutter your life just like I'm trying to declutter mine. I've been so inspired by minimalism recently, and I really want to live my life minimally, not just for a clearer mind and a clearer, space, but just for all the benefits that come along with minimalism. And not only just minimalism of my space, but also minimalism of everything in my life, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye! You want to say bye? Thank you.